नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाएं पर देखो हम कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
Morning, Nikita teacher.
Good morning, Bhakti teacher.
Happy Teachers Day to you.
Happy Teachers Day.
What a wonderful dance performance it was.
Yes, really, it was a very wonderful dance. Devotionally
Yes.
dance for teachers.
Yes. Did you miss anything?
Yes, our students, Bhakti teacher.
Yes, I miss them all.
કેવું સૂનું સૂનું લાગે છે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ તમારા વગર. આ સ્કૂલ એકદમ ખાલી ખાલી લાગે છે અને આ રીતે વર્ચ્યુઅલી સેલિબ્રેટ કરવો ટીચર્સ ડે બી નથી ગમતો. પણ શું કરીએ?
એ લોકો જ્યારે સ્કૂલે આવતા હતા ત્યારે આપણે કેવું સરસ સેલિબ્રેશન રાખતા હતા.
યસ, સ્ટુડન્ટ ટીચર.
યસ, સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે એ ટીચર બનતા હતા અને આપણને એવું ફીલ થતું હતું કે આપણે એમના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છીએ.
યસ.
So, but today is Teachers Day. So, on this auspicious day, let us remember our gurus.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. So, Bhakti teacher, do you know what is the meaning of Guru?
Yes, I know. Gu means अंधकार और रू means दूर करना. तो जो गुरु होता है वो हमारे अंदर के अंधकार को दूर करता है.
So, भक्ति टीचर, जब मैं छोटी थी तो मेरे टीचर्स भी मुझे कुछ सिखाया करते थे. वो मुझे याद आ रहा है. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाय, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताय कबीरा, गोविंद दियो बताय. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि हमारे गुरु और गोविंद दोनों साथ में खड़े हैं, तो सबसे पहले हमें किसको प्रणाम करना चाहिए? तो ये हमारे गुरु ने हमें सिखाया है कि गोविंद कौन है, ईश्वर कौन है. सो सबसे पहले हमें गुरु को प्रणाम करना चाहिए और बाद में ईश्वर को. ओके?
Yes. So, on this Teachers Day, let us see what is the importance of Teachers Day.
Let's see.
Why do we celebrate Teachers Day and what is the importance of the Teachers Day? Teachers Day is celebrated to honor the memory of India's first Vice President and to commemorate the importance of teachers in our lives.
Who is he? He is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Every year on September 5, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is being celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. Radhakrishnan was born in a poor Brahmin family in Andhra Pradesh, Tirutani in 1888. He was a bright student and through scholarships completed his studies. A great scholar, philosopher and a Bharat Ratna recipient, Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President and second President of independent India.
Teachers are the most important members of our society. They give children purpose, set them up for success as citizens of our world, and inspire in them a drive to do well and succeed in life. The children of today are the leaders of tomorrow, and teachers are that critical point that make a child ready for their future.
Who is she? She is Savitribai Phule. She was an Indian educationalist and regarded as the first female teacher of India. She played an important role in improving women's rights in India.
Who is he? He is Swami Vivekananda, and he was Indian monk who became leading yoga guru, and he was founder of Ramakrishna Mission. These are India's great teachers. First one is Chanakya, Gautam Buddha, Abdul Kalam, and Rabindranath Tagore.
Now, I am going to send one link of Eklavya story. Do you know who was Eklavya? Eklavya કોણ હતો?
એક ગ્રેટ મહાન ગુરુ ભક્ત હતો. ઓકે,
તો આની સાથે જે લિંક સેન્ડ કરું એ તમે જોઈ લેજો. ઓકે?
Who are you?
I am an angel.
From where you have come?
I came from the heaven. God sent me to find the most capable person from this earth. So I am searching the most capable person. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Come with me. Come with me. Meet this person.
Hello.
Hello,
Who are you?
I'm engineer.
Oh, how can you say that you are the most capable person on this earth?
Yes, of course. I think I am the most capable person on this earth.
Oh, what are your capabilities?
I'm engineer. If you take me to heaven, I can make big bridges, flyovers, big building, beautiful roads, etc. in heaven. I can change the whole infrastructure of the heaven.
Oh, so nice. Please come with me.
Come with me. Meet this person.
Hello.
Hello,
Who are you?
I am a scientist. So I think I am the most capable person on this earth.
How can you say that?
Because I do new invention, develop new theories and technologies, so I can make your heaven a new look with growing technologies.
Oh, so nice. Please come with me.
Thank you.
May I come in, doctor?
Yes.
Please come with me.
Please
Meet
come.
this person.
Hello.
Hello,
Who are you?
I am a doctor.
Oh, are you the most capable person on this earth?
Yes, I am the most capable person on this earth.
What can you do for our heaven?
I treat sick people in the heaven. And I promise I make heaven disease free. After all, health is wealth. I can make healthy heaven. So please take me to the heaven.
Oh, sure. But first of all, come with me.
Sure.
Come with me, Angel. Meet this person.
Hello. Hi, Angel. Who are you? I am an artist. I think I am the most capable person on this earth. You can take me to heaven.
Yes, but what are your capabilities? What can you do for our heaven?
I can make beautiful painting, pictures, sculptures. The heaven will get new look by my hand.
Oh, so nice. Please come with me.
Thank you.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Please, Angel, come with me. Meet this person.
Hello.
Hello. God bless you, beta. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Who is she?
She is a teacher.
Oh, why all these people bowed before you?
Because they all are my students. I taught them.
Oh, so what are your capabilities?
I think I am the most capable person on this earth. I made this scientist. I made this artist. I made this doctor. Even I made this engineer. If you take me to heaven, I can make all these people over there. I think I am the most capable person on this earth.
What do you all think?
Yes, she is right.
Oh, now at last, I think I am so happy to find the most capable person on this earth. Shall you come with me?
Yes, of course.
Come with me, teacher.
T for calendar.
E for enthusiastic.
A for attractive. C for caring.
H for honest. E for efficient.
R for resourceful person.
Yes.
Teacher is the most resourceful person.